Hey, what's going on here?
You guys want gloves?
Clock.
Your
hands are gonna be blue.
I put them on now.
Hey, Brad, you need to cut your blood circulation.
You get stretch marks on these gloves.
You got cellulite and shit.
Should we go higher or what?
Yeah.
Okay. It's on the. You know what? It's on that.
Oh, it's in that, Jack.
Get my premium snaps.
Ooh,
Premium
Amazon,
snaps. What the
Amazon wish
Premium.
list.
Premium
Wait a
snaps
minute, I
at
wanna see
Monster.
this.
It's,
Let
me see this.
I've been trying to-
Wait, what? What was that?
You're not just gonna put the phone away after that. Come on.
That's my account. You gonna pay for me?
Okay.
Alright guys, so I never officially gave an intro to this video, so what is going on?
Andy.
So
You already put the whole motor.
yeah, well guys,
What the hell?
well I mean bro, I was so yeah guys, I mean yeah, the motor's in there, but just like the bare minimum, just the mounts.
Literally,
are on there.
yeah.
It's literally just sitting in there, so I mean there's the harness needs to get connected, the axles, everything else. It's literally just the motor sitting in there. So
This is the least of my problems right now.
yeah, so honestly, it's like the biggest
biggest
thing.
step, yeah.
Exactly. I mean, it's in there. It's in there.
It's in there. It's not going nowhere.
What she said.
Bow. She ain't coming out. That's for sure.
So Jesse, how you feeling, bro?
Dude, honestly, I'm really happy at this point. Oh, that was holding the chain.
Oh, I was like, your washer is warped, my nigga.
So you didn't keep it LS for
How long has it been since it's not been running?
Since August of last year.
So almost a year.
yeah, but
You
what?
did all those work to swap back in the same stock motor when you have a LS400 in the garage.
Exactly.
You could have just LS swapped it, bro. What the hell?
Wait, what?
You could have just converted it rear-wheel drive. You might honestly, the motor's already out. You should have just converted it all-wheel drive.
And since
LS.
it's out,
Should've
you
one
should've
day
just
swapped
boosted
it.
Yeah, you might as well. Nah, we're just kidding, guys. It's
No, but I
dope.
do have
though.
the LS in the garage. It's just,
What's going on with the LS400, bro?
yeah,
That shit on do not disturb.
Bro, look, I even got a blanket on her. I even
Yeah,
got a blanket on her,
she's
bro.
tucked away and everything.
She's ready for bed. She's going mimis, bro. She's mimis.
She's in hibernation.
Sedan, so.
No, 3 EK sedans.
Yeah, guys.
If
So
you
the
wanna
starter
do
went out on the LS. If any of you guys have LSs and done that before,
They have
hit
it.
up Jesse
I'm pretty sure
because
they have
that's a 9.5 hour job.
Yeah, due to Toyota or Lexus, and you know what? It's not worth it to me right now.
Yeah, yeah. That's,
Especially with this. This is my daily. I don't daily that thing.
Yeah.
This is my daily, and I need this back.
hey, is the studio? What's going down in the studio right now?
Bro, I haven't seen one
Marcel putting out. Bro,
Bro,
no.
since a PS2,
No.
dog. This shit, the red.
Jesse.
Hey, but look,
What you know
look,
about-
I got that one, that one,
Damn,
that one,
player.
and that one.
Damn.
Jesse, that doesn't negate the fact that you have fucking
Yeah, but
Honestly, I didn't
I'd
know
rather
that-
use old school shit.
what's it called? The RCA VC.
RCA, VC.
RCA, yeah.
Compatibility cables. That's what it's called.
Damn, I better play GameCube in this bitch.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. I love you.
I love you.
Hey, bro, you look so dirty, bro. Look,
Bro,
you
I'm
turned me
fucking-
on.
Look at this, bro.
Hey,
Dirty is
you-
how the flirty.
Bro, this is like a normal. This is like a normal
All them
thing.
blankets under there, you know there's a fucking beast under there, bro.
It's the Impala. My dad's 67. Oh yeah.
yeah.
My dad has a 67 Impala
I know.
that we've been restoring for I think like 10, 11 years.
Damn, buried under all those blankets.
Zombie sheltered right now.
Exactly like that Impala.
Kentucky?
That's exactly how that one looks.
Kentucky.
Guys,
this is yours?
Guys,
Yeah.
if you didn't know, our outro beat is actually Marcel's beat, and a lot of the beats we use is actually Marcel's beats. So if you guys want to hear more of his beats, it's gonna be down in the description box. Go check him out on SoundCloud,
I fuck
guys.
with this one. This, I picture this beat being like a car rolling at night, dude. Oh, cruising at night, bro, with the city lights.
Hey guys, we having the fucking what's it called?
Pop-up shop.
Album listening party. Album having listening party at this bitch.
Not a mobile swap meet.
Alright, Jesse, what's going on here?
Putting in my passenger axle. Fuck. Hold on.
Need help, bro?
No. If there was hair around the hole, I'd already have it in though.
Damn, bro, Forest Hills Drive.
No, it's brackets. It's still fitting.
Okay. Hold on.
Is it clipped in or can it slide out? Oh, it's clipped in. Huh?
Yes, lay in. Push in. Push in. Hold on. Let me push up a little bit. Hold on.
Oh, the teeth even lining up?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn it.
Yeah.
It has to go all the way in.
It's not in?
No, it's not all the way in yet. There it goes.
There. Bitchin'.
Alright, cool.
Hey.
Cool. All right. Should I hook up my shift linkage now? Yeah.
Might as well.
Okay.
The bottom.
What's going on here?
Damn, your shit is seasoned, my
This
nigga.
can't be good. This can't be
You
good.
have-
I'm gonna go get my springs. My other ones are like
Do this.
tall.
Do this.
I got the vice right there. So just...
No, you never want to put vice on your threads.
No, the threads.
What are you doing, Jesse?
Going lower.
Why?
Cause
Just
that's
go
what we...
bag. What'd I say?
You're fucking.
What'd I say?
gang.
What'd I say?
Marcel and I have been doing all the work.
Shut up.
Well, they look like this.
Well, what are you doing if Marcel's doing the work right now?
We just found a bolt, okay?
Okay, but what are you doing at this moment? Ah.
Recording because you haven't been recording.
Ah.
Taking over your job.
Oh.
Ah.
Well, I'm FaceTiming Ludes because,
Lord Ludes?
damn. I bet you guys forgot about that name, huh?
I know, I remember that name.
You said Lord what?
We're talking about Must Be Nice Ham.
Lord Farquaad?
Oh, OG you guys are, but Must Be Nice fam. Used to have a prelude.
And I look like a vanilla wafer.
They go through Marcel or no?
No, you need a new bolt.
Fuck.
God damn it, Jesse.
God damn it, these bolts are pissing me off.
Hey Jesse, so what seems to be the problem?
Nothing anymore. Marcel and I just fixed it, but
What was going on?
I couldn't get my ball joint bolt in.
Uh-huh.
Well, the bolt that goes to the hooks up to the control arm. We couldn't get that in, so.
And if you listened to me, you would have never stripped it.
I stripped it on accident.
Because you didn't listen.
I sucked dick on accident.
Marcel. Why your shit look so hard right now? Is that what's it called? You know what's that called? The fucking right with the golden hour? Is that what it's called?
The golden
Jose? I mean Jesse?
golden hour?
Yeah, that's what it's called, right?
Happy
Yeah.
hour.
Yeah, for the pictures and shit, golden hour.
Happy hour Fridays.
Watch, yeah. Let me show you that golden hour. Let's get on this side. This that golden hour shots, guys.
Yo, I want to hook it up with a golden.
That's why we buy cameras.
That's why we got Photoshop.
Ooh, even that Lex is getting that golden hour lighting.
I'm always late to the party.
Hey, I would say you fashionably late, but
Always
you're
late,
not.
but worth
You're
the wait.
really not fashionably late. You're like fucking unfashionably late.
Enough.
You're fucking late. Like it's not even cool anymore.
Yeah, bro. Like it's past the cool point. Like
Yeah,
it's
I
just
could've
fucking.
not
It's just
came,
annoying at
I
this
mean,
point.
I'm sorry, dude.
Just kidding, buddy.
I know, but
Where you at, buddy?
I love you. What?
Where were you?
My sister's baby shower.
Ooh, okay. I see you.
I'm an uncle now, dude.
Hey, that's dope. That's dope.
Yeah.
Joseph, you see that?
I missed a lot.
You see that, bro?
I know.
It's in there.
Yeah, where was
It's
your ass?
in there.
Where was your antennas? when we
Baby
needed
shower.
help?
Man, I told you I was gonna come.
I know.
And y'all left around like 11. Oh, that's too
Yeah,
late to go now.
Hey, bro. Now that the car is on the floor with the engine in it, are you feeling? How motivated are you feeling, bro?
Dude, I just need $450
For what? What's
my
that?
tags.
Oh shit. Hell yeah, bro.
Other than that, everything's all set, dude. I just need like little things, little bugs, and it'll be back on the road.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm happy for you, bro.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate
It's
it.
been a long time.
It's been so
Bro,
fucking
Bro,
long.
you gotta come back harder, bro, than ever before, bro.
Dude, these aren't even like gonna be on the car for a while. These are temporary.
You about to call them reps, bro? They're Yankees.
I know. I don't know.
Reps.
I don't know why I was.
I mean,
Ankles. They're ankles.
The anklets.
Hey, whenever somebody cracks these, I broke my ankles.
alright, guys. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Mostly because my battery's about to die and I don't feel like charging it. So it's gonna be a wrap. Motor is in the Accord. Just needs very minor things. It's gonna be up and running.
Finally,
Are we gonna vlog that shit, bro?
Hell yeah, dude.
So yeah, guys, basically wiring harness. He put in the axles and the shift linkage. So yeah, just a wiring harness, a radiator, hoses, intake, battery.
Literally the most simplest
Yeah, the
things.
most simple
I
shit.
got everything. I got everything. I don't need to buy shit. Just time.
Yeah.
That's all I need. I work so much. Fuck.
Is your exhaust connector or is it just
I don't have
the...
an exhaust.
Oh, you don't have an exhaust?
No.
Oh, so you need to get an exhaust?
Maybe.
Maybe. What the fuck you mean maybe? Better?
Yeah. One of my buddies is making me a Bozo pipe exhaust, so.
Okay. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so if you guys want to see more progress being made on the Accord, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. And also guys, subscribe, keep up with the videos, tap that bell notification, and you stay up to date with all the videos. You get that notification right when we upload. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all got some wisdom for the subscribers this time?
I do.
Alright, well, I'm like last chat. Alright. Alright, what's going on, Jesse?
If you guys are static and you guys brag about it, can you brag about it if you do not daily the car?
That's a solid question. That's a solid question.
Am I right or?
You're on bags.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so
I got a lift kit.
alright guys, so I want you guys to discuss that in the comments. If you are static, can you brag if you don't daily it or if you do daily it?
But how they gonna have opinion if they're not static?
Oh,